I'm Susie Danner, and this is my sister Becky Trask, and this is my father Clyde Bees, who was a docent here at the Reagan Library for 17 years. We're so honored to be here to have his medals displayed, depicting his illustrious career in the Air Force, and each one no more important than the one before it. It's such an honor that Reagan Library has allowed my father's things to be put up here like this, and we feel really safe and secure that they're going to be here for a very, very, very long time.
I'm truly honored that my father's awards that he received while he was in the military can actually be displayed in a museum that is primarily designed for a president of this country. And I'm blown away by the fact that my father's stuff is on the other side of the wall, that a president of the United States is being honored as well.